We are motorcyclists.
We are motorcyclists?
We're cruiser boys.
We are cruiser boys. Hey, Andrew, nice bike.
Thanks.
I'm the loudest under the canopy.
Just go, you fucking asshole.
I don't know where we're going. Andrew, lead the way.
We're going to Sedan.
Follow him. Go. Go, Colton, fuck.
Dude, I can hear your exhaust through the audio in your helmet.
I know. Isn't it fucking sweet?
No.
I think you're just jelly. Oh, we're turning right. Sweet.
Yeah, we're going to the dam, remember?
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Dude,
we got like a little motorcycle club going here.
Heck yeah. Hey, what is your bike idle at? What RPM?
1200.
Oh, damn.
If it's really hot outside, it'll idle at about 1,000.
This thing idles at 900.
I know, I saw that yesterday. I want that license plate.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll look good by all my other license plates.
Move, fat boy.
I'm gonna swing wide and block traffic. Because we got two stragglers.
Yeah, I'll slow
on the smallest bikes. Oh, here comes Dustin.
Well, yeah, the guy in back is probably going to be Colton.
Yeah. Oh, this is so much fun.
Oh, fuck yeah. So what? It goes me, Christian, Dustin, you, and then Colton?
Yeah.
Okay.
Colton's in the back. I'm now passing Dustin.
You're recording, yeah?
Do what?
You're recording?
Oh, fuck yeah, bud.
Oh, I didn't hear you do your intro like you usually do.
Yeah, I said fuck it. Because I started, I don't know if you've watched any of the recent moto vlogs, but I have an actual intro on it.
Oh. I haven't watched one in like 3 weeks because it kind of made me depressed to watch you guys go have fun on motorcycles and I didn't have one again.
One of them I call you a nerd for not having a motorcycle.
You bitch.
That's the one that I got the bike detailed on.
Oh.
So.
We need to get in front of these 3 cars so we can all get over.
Do what?
Speed up? Oh, no, red light, never mind. That was my back brake just then. I did not.
Oh, if your back brake worked, you'd never use your front, man. Trust me. I can match that energy. I think Christian was trying to race me.
What?
I think Christian was trying to race me.
I bet you won't race them.
I might win in the launch, but I won't win in the long run. My left mirror, holy shit, my left mirror is loose.
Your what?
My left mirror is loose.
Oh, shit.
It's just up and down, it ain't gonna go nowhere. If it does, I'll buy new mirrors. Then I can justify the new levers finally. No, I might actually make my levers.
If you're doing one, you might as well do the other at the same time.
Yeah. Well, I might actually make some carbon fiber levers for my Indian. What do you think?
Carbon fiber.
Yeah.
I don't know about that, man. Like, that sounds like, I mean, it'll look cool, but that's up to you. I don't like carbon fiber, honestly. Like, unless it's for race purposes to make the fucking shit lighter, like, what's the point?
Yeah. I like our little club we got going. What are we going to call it? The Boys? Or Das Boys?
Boys!
No, let's call it Das
Motorcycle
Boys.
Group!
What?
Das Boys Motorcycle Group!
DVMC? We could get patches made? We could be cool?
We could be Das Boys!
We could be 1%ers.
Oh my god.
I am now behind you. Christian is behind me.
Yeah, I see
Colton
that.
and Dustin.
Now that my mirrors aren't, like, fucking rained all over, like, I can see real well.
Yeah?
Oh, let's see if I can scrape.
No, it's not sharp enough here.
I can force it.
Christian's right on my ass and I didn't see him. I almost went right into him.
I was trying to get these little scrapers underneath to do it.
Oh, the feelers? Yeah.
Yeah.
Trust me, hitting those things sucks. It's sketchy at best.
Oh, when I did the motorcycles, like, licensing course or whatever,
Yeah.
MSF course,
Yeah.
whenever we were riding little Suzuki's GPZ 250s, which are just little 250 cruisers,
Yeah.
and every time we'd do, like, the big turn, which is basically like one of those right there,
Yeah.
I would scrape every time, and it scared the hell out of me, because that was the first time I had rode street bikes.
Yeah.
And, like, you never really have to worry about scraping pegs on a dirt bike, or else, you know, you're down.
Our boys are back there just kind of chilling.
Yeah, what are they doing? Like, I'm chilling in 4th gear going fucking...
I'm in 6th keeping up. It sounds like a war behind me. So you and Christian gonna switch bikes?
Yeah, I think he wants to ride it.
Yeah? Hey, look, you're gonna have some pretty sweet shots.
What?
You're gonna have some pretty sweet shots for your socials. New Tinder pic.
Right, like it.
Have you tried to clutchless shift that thing yet?
No, mainly because, like, last night it was real wet on the road.
Yeah.
It just did it no problem.
Yeah.
I'm in 5th gear, like 2,000. Dropped down. There we go. I got some pretty good lean angle on this, honestly.
Yeah, it's just like my bike, dude.
It's a little bit bigger of a motor.
Yeah, just a little, not much. It's only 700. You only got 700 cc's on me.
Isn't your bike a 69 cubic inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's only like fucking 47 cc's higher.
No, that's cubic
37.
inch. Mine's
37 cubic inches. Sorry, my bad.
Mine's 1,133.
Mine is, I think
Yours
this is
1,800.
1737 or 1738.
Oh, so it's like a lot less. Like 500 or 600.
Yeah.
We look so cool with our little MC, Andrew. Hey, you know, if we start an MC, we can save money on insurance.
Yeah.
Hey, look, they started building out the pads.
What?
This is going to be called South Bend.
Oh.
My office owns it. So, fun fact of the day.
Oh, it's only 30 through here?
Yeah, nobody ever does 30 through here.
I never knew that.
I did. I've never done 30 through here. We've lost 2.
Yeah, I'll slow it down. I was just trying to have some fun, see what this bike can do.
I know you are. Hey, you want to go hit Old Granbury after this?
I'm down for it.
And come back on the highway?
Yeah, I'm down. I don't see R2.
I'm down, Ski. Dustin might be. We just topped off his tank.
Yeah, just slow down a bit. Hold on.
Well, I think there's a intersection up here.
Yeah.
That we could sit and gargle some cock.
Oh, fuck. I was, wait. There they are, okay.
You saw them?
Yeah. I saw a Christian's light, I think.
We'll continue to go a little slow.
Yeah.
And mind you, Colton's not a great rider just yet.
Oh, yeah.
I see the both of them.
Yep.
And now it's 40, so.
Whenever you get to that stop sign, if no one pulls up before you and Dustin, like behind you,
yeah,
still there for a sec.
Alright. Just make sure you keep pace with us so we don't get too far away from each other. You there, bud?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, you just didn't answer, that's why I asked.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It's breaking out, you gotta get closer,
yeah.
bud. Are you still there?
Yeah, I'm still here. You just keep breaking up a little bit.
Yeah, like I said, you gotta be pretty close. It's only 1 mile, no obstructions, so. Mind you, I have an older communicator.
I'm right behind Dustin.
Okay, cool. They're sitting back. Colton and Christian are sitting back there talking on their communicators. Their car.
Yeah, probably. They're like, our fucking Cardo is so much cooler. You're the coolest thing ever. You're good, dude. They got a stop sign. Fuck them.
That's why I went. That's why I fucking sent it, bud.
Dude, damn. Oh, speaking of sending it.
Damn, son. I'm gonna let y'all get a bit of a head start. I could have caught up.
Let's see. Is this place still closed?
Probably.
No, it's open.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Let's go.
I'm gonna run the stop sign. We should get a picture of the bike somewhere here.
I know.
Like right there, maybe?
Instagram. Like right where?
Like either right back there, ooh, huh? Either right there, or like maybe right up there near that awning there. Like right here.
How about down here at the end of the street?
Down here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here comes the police, just warning you.
Yeah, we need to watch out because my plate.
Yeah. Well, let's pull up and park.
You want to do it right there?
I I don't see why not.
Okay. Can we fucking help you, dude? How about you get lost? How about that?
He's wondering what we're doing.
Oh, he can wonder all the fuck he wants.
Here we go.
Yeah. We'll take a shot of the bikes all together, looking clean AF.
Come right here and pull forward. What?
What side do you want, Christian, on? This side? Or you want?
I don't care. We should just stagger them so we can see all the bikes.
Okay.
Oh, not on. Pull forward just a smidgen more. I'm sorry, Dustin. Pull forward just a little more.
Like right there.
Kick his kickstand forward. It kicked back a little. There you go.
No,
back up, back. Hold on. Perfect. Can you make it parallel to his bike? Andrew, get Christian to come back.
Christian! A little more, a wee more.
Perfect, right there.
Right there. And then you move it back. Just that should be good.
Yeah.
You see all the tanks, yeah?
Yeah.